Hello students, welcome again in the continuation of e-learning classes. Today we will discuss the plant Shigru. Introduction. Shigru is known as the miracle vegetable because it has multiple medicinal benefits and a high nutritional value. Its consumption reduces the risk of various degenerative diseases. It is used for a number of purposes like food, medicine, dye, fodder, and water purification. It increases the potency and it is good for heart. Shigru has been extensively used in Brihatrayi and Laghutrayi and in various Nighantus. Shigru are useful in different diseases and different parts of the plant of Shigru is used in different disease condition. As moringa leaves contain more vitamin A than carrots, more calcium than milk, and more iron than spinach, more vitamin C than oranges, and more potassium than bananas. And also the protein quality of moringa leaves rivals that of milk and eggs. Botanically, it is known as Moringa pterygosperma and it belongs to the family Moringaceae. In Hindi, it is known as Sahijan, Subhanjan or Munga. And in English, it is known as drumstick tree and horseradish tree. These are some vernacular names of Shigru. In Gujarati, it is known as Sargavo. In Kannada, Niggi. In Malayalama, Moringa. In Marathi, Shevaga. In Punjabi, Sohanjana. In Tamil, Moringai. In Telugu, Munaga. And in Urdu, Sahajana. SAMHITOKTA classification or classical categorization. In Charak, it is included in Krimigna Mahakashaya, Swedopaga Mahakashaya, Shiro Virechanopaga Mahakashaya, and Katuskandha. Shushrut has included in Varunadi Gana and Shiro Virechana. These are some synonyms of Shigru. Akshiva. It is known as Akshiva because it pacifies the mother. Bahal Pallava. The plant has dense and luxurious foliage. That's why it is called Bahal Pallava. Bahu Mula. It has many roots. Bahu means many. Mula is a root. So it has many roots. That's why it is called Bahu Mula. Ghana Chadda. Again, the Chadda term is used for the leaves. So the plant has many luxurious foliage. That's why it is called Ghana Chadda. Krishna Gandha. It has pungent smell and taste. The next one is Mochaka. It is useful in many diseases. That's why it is called Mochaka. And because of its Tikshna Guna, it is known as Shigru. Shobhanjana. which gives attractive look. That's why it's known as Shobhanjana. The next is Tikshna Gandha. It has a very strong smell. Tikshna Gandha. Vidari Vidradhigna. It possesses antibiotic property. That's why it is given the name Vidradhigna. Now the distribution. It is a beautiful tree found in wild in sub-Himalayan range and nowadays commonly cultivated throughout the India. Botanical description. It is an evergreen tree, grows up to 10 to 12 meter height. It has a spreading upon crown of drooping and fragile branches. And the leaves are compound, imparipinnate, usually tripinnate up to 45 centimeter long, and the lateral elliptic, the term obovate and slightly longer than the lateral ones. The margins are entire, round or blunt apex, finely hairy and green in color. Flowers are white in color with fragrance in large puberulous pinnacles, and the petals are spatulate. 5 stamens are present. Ovary is oblong and cylindrical style is present. Fruits. The fruits are pods in nature and pendulous. In immature pods are green in color and it turns brown on maturity. 30 to 45 centimeter in length and triangular, ribbed, and fruits are split open longitudinally when it becomes dry. Seeds. The seeds are white, trigonous, 25 to 30 in numbers with winged angles. Types. According to Brihadrais, there are 2 types of Shigru is given. Madhu Shigru, that is Rakta Shigru, and Shigru, that is Shweta Shigru. And according to Rajnigantu, it is of 3 types: Rakta Shigru, Shweta Shigru and Neela Shigru. Bhavprakash Nigantu includes 3 types of Shigru: Rakta Shigru, Krishna Shigru and Shweta Shigru. Flowering time of Shigru is January to May and the fruiting time of Shigru is May to December. Rasapanchaka of Shigru is Katu Tikta Rasa. The gunas are Laghu, Ruksha and Tikshna. Virya is Ushna and Vipak is Katu. Chemical constituents. The plant contains many chemical constituents such as moringinin, moringin, pterygo, indole, byrenol. Some flavonoids are also present. Some proteins and polysaccharides are also present. Essential amino acids, vitamins, minerals and fatty acids. Karma. The karmas are chakshushya. The main action of Shigru is chakshushya. That means it is beneficial for vision. And it is also Deepan karma, appetizer, Pachan karma, digestive, Pitta kara, it aggravates the Pitta, Hridya, it is good for heart, it's a cardiotonic, Vata, Kapha hara, pacifies the Vata and Kapha, Medo hara, it is act as an anti-obesity, Sangrahi, fecal astringent, Krimigna, it is anthelmintic, Uthahara, it reduces the swelling, Shveda Janak, it is diaphoretic, Vishagna, it is used as antidote, Shukrala, it is spermopoietic, Shofagna, it is act as anti-inflammatory, Rochana, it gives the relishness, and Shulhara, it is act as anti-colic. Now the indication, it is indicated in Vrana Vikara, that means it is indicated in wound. Granthi, it is used in cyst. Gulma, in abdominal lump. Karnashul, in earache. Medo Roga, it is indicated in obesity. Krimi Roga, it is used or indicated in worm infestations. Pliha Roga, it is indicated in spleen disorders. Galaganda, it is used in goiter. Netra Roga, it is used in eye diseases. And Shiroroga, it is indicated in diseases of head. Now the therapeutic uses. Externally, it is used in Visarpa or in erysipelas. In Visarpa, the warm paste of Shigru, Karanj bark and dried radish or Vibhitak should be applied. And in Apache or scrofula, the Shobhanjan and Devdaru pounded together with Shar gruel, and this paste is applied warm in scrofula or Apache. Next is in Vidarika. Vidarika is a type of swelling in the leg. The paste of Shigru and Devdaru controls the Vidarika. It is given in Vrind Madhava. Next in Vidradhi, that means in abscess. Fomentations and poultices should be applied with Shigru root. In Netra Roga or eye diseases, washing with juice of Shigru leaves alleviates all diseases of eyes. And juices of Shigru leaves rubbed well in a copper vessel and fumigated with ghee removes swelling, irritation, watering and pain of eyes. Next is Kushtha. Diabetic wounds, oil of Karanj, Sarshap, Shigru or Kashmarda should be externally applied. And in Sannipatika Bodhanath laws, the patient should be given snuff with the juice of Sobhanchan root and Maricha combinedly. This restores consciousness in conditions like typhoid fever. And in Vatrakta or gout, externally the paste of Shigru and Varuna with gruel removes the pain of gouts. The last one is in the Dadru or ringworm. Paste of Shigru root bark eradicates the ringworm. Now, internally, the Shigru are used in Hikka and Swas. In Hikka and Swas, leaves of Kashmir, the Shigru and dry radish is used. In Udara Roga or abdominal diseases, soup of Shobhanjana mixed with pipali, rock salt, chitraka and oil is used. In Ashmari, the soup made of the paste of Shigru root fried in ghee and added with curd and salt given in Ashmari. In Apache, the seed of Shigru used as a snuff. In Karnashula, the juice of Shigru with honey and rock salt is used in Karnashula or earache. In Netraroga, the juice of Shigru leaves with honey. In Arsha or piles, the patient should be given tub bath with the decoction of the leaves of Agnimantha, Shigru and Ashmantaka. It helps to remove the pain. And in Krimi Roga or worm infestation, decoction of Shigru and Vidang mixed with honey acts as anthelmintic. The useful parts of Shigru is root, fruit, leaves, bark, flowers and seeds. And the dose are: the decoction of bark is 40 to 80 ml, the 1 to 3 gram, the powder of root is 3 to 6 gram and leaf juice is 10 to 20 ml. Now the formulations. Some formulations are Shobhanjanadi Lepa, Shamadi Churna, Sarasvata Ghrit and Vish Tinduk Tel. Thank you, student, for hearing me patiently. All the best.